Driving down the highway, just you and me, in our big rig, living wild and free. With our two pups in the back, tails wagging bright, we're chasing dreams under the stars at night. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs, we're living the dream. From coast to coast, we deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road.
Hey everybody, welcome back. On today's episode, we are in Virginia, and we're going to be deadheading up to Rochester, New York, to pick up a load going to Wisconsin. What the heck is a cheese box opener?
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all being here. We are in, I'm not sure where we're at right now. We're at a Love's in Virginia on 81. We just got a couple load offers sent over today. Nothing really spectacular. But we're just coming out of the house, so we wanted something to kind of make a little bit of money. We know we're not going to make a lot of money coming out, but we need to cover truck notes and all that stuff. So we just got the third load offer sent over. The first one was going from Virginia to Phoenix. Phoenix is a terrible board. There's 0 a day coming out of there. We're not going. Second one was picking up in York, PA, going to upstate New York. It picked up tomorrow and delivered Fridays, and it's only it's a short run, so it wasn't paying a lot. Then we just got offered another load that's picking up in Rochester, New York, which is quite a significant amount of deadhead. That's why we're getting started tonight. Well, deadhead up there is 400 miles up there, 7 hours. Pick up that one tomorrow at noon and delivers in Wisconsin Friday at 1 o'clock or something like that. It's about 800 miles loaded, which is not bad, paying decent, not great, but decent, and it ends this week okay. It gives us an okay week, and it gets us to about where we wanted to be, knowing that we just came out of the house. So I'm starting my clock. I'm fixing to jump out and do a pre-trip, get the truck ready, and we're going to head up towards Rochester tonight. If I leave right about now, we'll be up there about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. We're not going to go all the way in, but we'll get close, and then that way we won't have so far to drive tomorrow. So thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out with your friends. And let's grow this community together. As you can see, we're starting to back up some trucks out here. So somebody's trying to back in somewhere. I can't see them because I got blinds in the windows. But here we go. Well, y'all, it's time to go. I just watched the driver. I may put that in the video, and I don't know. Tear his whole sidewall off his tire, trying to get out of here, get into a parking spot. Ran into a bunch of rocks down the side here. I had a woman just try to back in across from me, and she about just, if I was in an actual tractor trailer, she would 1,000% took the whole entire hood off my truck. She was all up in my parking spot and the ones next to me. So it's now it's really time to go. Let's get out of here. Let's try not to get our truck taken out. And I think it's time to leave this truck stop because there's a bunch of motherfuckers in here that don't know how to drive. YouTube. It is 8:21 in the morning. We're about 3 hours from where we need to be, give or take some. We are in Pennsylvania, I think. Still. Boys, be nice. And what? Why do you have to be up here all the times? We're in Pennsylvania. We're getting our day started. The camera hog is here.
We're in Liberty.
Anyways, we're gonna get our day started. We just had breakfast from this little mom and pop-esque station. It's actually a pretty nice little stop. Quiet. Y'all, it was 58 degrees last night. That's cold. Oh, I brought the hoodies. That's how cold we are. We were complaining to Mississippi because it's August in Mississippi and it's hot. We were complaining about the heat. And now we break out the hoodies because we cold. Just handing this to my wife and she's getting mad. Good morning, y'all. Let's get this day started. Let's get to our pickup and get headed to Wisconsin, where it might be even cold too. I don't know. But if it's below 70, it's cold. So let's go. Hey, y'all. If you're interested in expediting and you want to give it a shot, and you have a Class A or a Class B CDL, please give our friends over there at Hyfield a call. 833-HYFIELD.
One of the perks of working for Hyfield is you can bring your pets with you.
So if you're interested, give our friends over there at Hyfield a call. And remember, they do also have Class A CDL jobs available in tractor trailer. Same household teams are preferred, or do you have an established team? Give them a call also. They do have trucks that'll fit you guys too. So give them a call at
1-833-493-4353. Option 1.
Thanks, guys. Let them know J Squared Expediting sent you. Alright, well, we're at the dock, as you can see. We're in the dock. We're chalked and we're waiting. It's one box, 500 pounds. It's tall though. So we'll see if we get loaded. Well, we're gonna get loaded, but we'll see what it looks like when it gets out. I'm gonna have to strap it, put my load bars in, space them to be able for it to be firm up against the wall. And so let's see what happens. All right, y'all, here we go. One box properly secured, and we're ready to roll on to Wisconsin. So let's hit it. Hey, y'all, we are in Ohio on the turnpike at one of the rest areas. I'm done for the day. The wife's fixing to pull over. We just pulled off on the shoulder. Well, not really the shoulder, but like the edge of the parking lot here where everybody else, looks like everybody else parks. So, and we ain't gonna be here that long, so it's all good in the hood. But I'm done for the day. And I'm fixing to go lay down because I'm sleepy. Probably won't go to sleep, but I'm sleepy. So, if the wife records something tonight, she records something. She probably won't because she's grumpy. I'm just kidding. She's not grumpy. But Doggo, you've been bugging me for the last hour. Just saying. Say goodbye to peoples. See y'all. See you here in the morning.
Alright, good afternoon. It is 9 o'clock. Taking over, we have made it to Indiana. We're at a toll plaza, service plaza at the moment. I'm going to take my time and get on up to Wisconsin.
Good morning, YouTube. It is, wrong way, 7 a.m. and we are offloaded. They told us to be here at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I said, no. Sorry, I'm raising my landing here. So, 7 a.m. and we're pulling off the dock, sending the wife on her way. Signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs. We are empty. I think I'm going to take a ride to a Walmart. It's not far from me. They allow overnight parking. We're going to go there, get some food for the truck. And then it's back to the Love's truck stop. That's like another 4 miles down the road. And we'll call it a day there. It is Friday. So the likelihood that we might not get nothing out of here. So I don't know. We'll see. But the good part about it is we're unloaded early. And the main people in the office aren't even there yet. So appreciate y'all. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out.